Hi everybody, Bull Fool here. I have a non-B7 brand ball in my hand. What am I doing with this? It's not a surprise ball either. So I actually found this on eBay. This is a discontinued ball. In case you've been living underneath a rock, this is the 900 Global Origin hybrid that came out in November of 2024. It was then discontinued in November of 2025. So it was out just for a year, which was surprising for a lot of people when they discontinued it, because this was a very popular ball for 900 Global and SPI brands for that matter. I got a really good pour on this bad boy. It was on my radar, but the price didn't really drop down to the level that I'm really comfortable at, which is like 150 and below. Once this one got discontinued, it sold out pretty quick. I say within a couple days, the 15 pounders were next to impossible to find. And the other day I was just searching on eBay, and lo and behold, I found a 15 pound. I found a bunch of 15 pounders, brand new, that a pro shop was selling out in Iowa for $129. I said, what the hell? It's in my price range. It's a good price. These balls rarely go for that price. So when I saw it, I grabbed one real quick. He actually had enough where I asked for a 2 to 3 inch pin, and he had it. They may still have some available by the time this video is aired. I can't promise anything, but as I'm making this video right now, he still has a bunch left. So if you missed your chance to get the 900 Global Origin, you may want to get it now. I'll put all the numbers and goodie stuff right up here for you in case you missed it. I've got turbo grips in there. I've got my Jopo in here. The layout I went with was 55 by 4 by 25. Seems to be a pretty good layout for me. This is a hybrid, and I seem to do pretty well with hybrids. The only other 900 Global ball that I have is the original Zen, and that ball is pretty darn good. I've got that used for my guy in our league. So only have two. I don't have many SPI balls just for the fact that I get a lot of my balls as surprise balls, and most of the surprise balls are B7. So a ball's got to be a really good deal or really cool for me to pay full price for it. So we're going to head on out to Paddock and roll a game with this thing and see what we can do with it. Ah, shit. All right, we just got done rolling this. I just rolled 3 games with this thing, put up some decent scores, 210 and up. I got 235 in this game. I took the polish off. I don't like the polish that Storm puts on their balls. It doesn't give me much of a reaction just because I'm a high-speed, low-rev bowler. I'm rev challenged, and so I need as much surface as I possibly can. So I brushed the polish off with a 1500 pad, and it seemed to shape pretty good for me. We were bowling in post-league lane conditions. So we just got done with league. It's 3 games bowled. So I'm going to like this ball. I'm very happy with the price I got it at. I mean, 130 bucks. This ball was pretty much like the #1 selling ball for last year. A lot of people had this ball, especially if you're a Storm Nation fan. You had this ball. I don't drink the Kool-Aid. I'm not a Storm Nation fan, but I said, what the hell, for 130, let's try it out. And it seemed to work pretty well for me. So let me know down in the comments if you have the 900 Global Origin Hybrid, or if you have the other one. I think the other one was a solid. The orange one is a hideous color. That one, I think that one got discontinued really quick. But let me know if you guys have this. If you don't have it, are you going to get it? Because I think there's still some left on eBay by the time this video is on YouTube. So I would suggest getting one for 130 bucks. You can't really lose. It's a pretty decent ball. I mean, I just rolled 3 games fresh out of box, so not too shabby. And we'll see what we can do in the future with this bad boy. So anyway, if you liked the video, give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And I will see you on the next video, everybody. Thanks for watching.